Meaning of fold.
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 Fold. Fold has several meanings, but most commonly refers to the action of bending or doubling over a material to create layers or creases. This can be done with fabric, paper, or other pliable materials, and is often used in craft projects to create origami, clothing, or other items. The act of folding can also refer to the process of closing a document or item, as in fold your laptop shut. Additionally, in mathematics, the term fold can describe a point of self-intersection on a curve or surface.